वारी एनर्जीज IPO जो अभी रिसेंटली लॉन्च हुआ था, जिसका इशू प्राइस था 1503, गॉट लिस्टेड विद 70% प्रीमियम, प्राइस of rupees 2550. Currently, NTPC Green Energy is also amidst its IPO listing procedures. And not to forget, Acme Solar Holdings Limited also got listed but with discount. So what is the common between all these companies? Solar energy. So solar sector is currently facing ups and downs but is in breaking news these days.
Especially after the recent case of Adani Green Energy, an alleged bribe case in India raised by US, a foreign country. Surely this is not the first case of people panicking and dumping their investment in an instant based on some foreign news. Are we really investing based on our own intelligence and due diligence and considering all the facts regarding our strengths and stability of a particular sector or a company, or are we keep allowing outsiders to crash our markets and ecosystems due to some or other reasons as India is thriving and claiming its place on the global stage? In today's video, we will see the independence, intelligence, and innovations of India in its solar energy sector, irrespective of any reliance on any outside countries or a particular private company in India.
India is endowed with vast solar energy potential. There has been a visible impact of solar energy in the Indian energy scenario during the last few years. Solar energy sector in India has emerged as a significant player in the grid connected power generation capacity over the years. It also supports the government agenda of sustainable growth while emerging as an integral part of the solution to meet the nation's energy needs and essential player for energy security. With about 300 clear and sunny days in a year, the calculated solar energy incidence on India's land area is about 5,000 lakh crore, यानी कि 5,000 trillion kilowatt per year. India has also sold or distributed about 12 lakhs solar home lighting system and 32 lakhs solar lanterns and has been ranked the top Asian market for solar off-grid products. The Indian government is giving subsidies for installing rooftop solar panels in an effort to increase the adoption of solar power in the country. Rooftop solar panels have numerous benefits, including the ability to generate electricity directly from the source, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, and lowering electricity bills for households and businesses. In addition, rooftop solar panels help to reduce carbon emissions, making them a key component in India's efforts to combat climate change. With the availability of the government subsidies, more households and businesses can now afford to install rooftop solar panels, contributing to a more sustainable future for the country. Not just within the country, but India has also expanded its solar vision globally. The International Solar Alliance, यानी कि ISA, proposed by India as a founder member, is headquartered in India, where India has put forward the concept of One Sun, One World, One Grid and World Solar Bank to harness abundant solar power on a global scale. India is now the third largest producer of the solar power globally. Even after all the ups and downs in this solar energy sector and related companies, considering the increase in need for renewable and green energy with the aim to achieve sustainable development goal, solar companies and stocks are a way for a long-term future or investments? Yes or no? Do let us know in the comment section below.